You've probably grown tomatoes before, right? But here's a question. Are they really worth the fuss? Tomatoes need staking, constant pruning, and they're magnets for pests and disease. And if you've ever dealt with blossom end rot or powdery mildew, you know it can get frustrating fast. That's why more gardeners are switching to ground cherries, a lesser-known plant that's way easier, more resilient, and gives you a delicious surprise in every harvest. Ground cherries are a cousin of the tomato, but they grow in little golden paper husks. They taste like a tropical blend of pineapple, vanilla, and caramel. And guess what? No staking, no pruning, almost no pests. They're a classic for a reason. But if you're looking for something a little easier, a little sweeter, and a whole lot more fun, try ground cherries. They're a delightful surprise for your taste buds and your garden. Try these 3 tips to get bigger, juicier tomatoes. Tip 1. Add a cup of compost or worm castings to each plant at the end of the first week of July. This helps the plants recover from the water loss during fruit development, and the added nutrients promote bigger fruit. For tip 2, use a tomato cage instead of staking. This allows the plant to grow naturally, and it makes harvesting much easier. And for tip 3, water deeply but infrequently. Tomatoes store water in their roots for times of drought. So when you do run your sprinklers, run them for an hour to really penetrate the root zone. And don't forget to harvest your tomatoes at their peak so you can enjoy all that juicy goodness. Follow for more tips to up your gardening game this year. You plant them just like tomatoes, in full sun with loose, fertile soil, and they don't need nearly as much babysitting. In 60 to 70 days, you'll start collecting handfuls of golden fruit right off the ground. Perfect for snacking, jams, pies, or even drying. Tomatoes can be a handful, but there are a lot of reasons to grow them. Ground cherries are a hit with our customers. They're easy to grow, and the flavor is off the charts. If you're going to grow tomatoes, you might as well grow the best. Follow for more tips.